What's up guys, welcome to back new another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover permanently disable Facebook account. Now your Facebook disabled account permanently recover. Now your problem, and okay, let's start. Follow my all step. First go you back. Now click your Google Chrome browser. Now click Google. Now search Facebook Help Center. Facebook. Now click Facebook Help Center. Now click Help Center. Now click login and password. Scroll down now. Now click my account is suspend or disable. Scroll down now. Now click no. Now click the solution does work. Now click select. Now your problem description. Now your problem submit. Now click submit, and your disabled account permanently recover. Now click your submit by doing due process. Thanks for watching my video and subscribe now my channel.